Hi, my name's Laura McKendry and I'm an artist and illustrator. Working with clients such as John Lewis, Waterstones and Profile Books. My images have been published globally for book covers, packaging and merchandise. I teach drawing and illustration at Central St Martin's, University of the Arts London, and also run creative workshops at other venues in a playful and relaxed way. My creative process is all about living playfully, being open to new ideas, finding inspiration, and having the courage to try something new and make mistakes. For that, I explore different techniques with watercolour, a material that feels immediate, quick, and fresh. In this Domestika course, you will learn to paint with watercolour, generating exciting illustrations with playful techniques. For the final project, you will fill a sketchbook with rich and playful watercolour illustrations. First, we will start with the basics, getting the best out of our brushes and taking them for a ride with our sketchbook. We will then play with wet and dry watercolour and experiment with tone and value. Then it's time to expand our universe of creativity with colour. We will hunt for colours around us, have fun with abstract and imaginative compositions, and discover together what happens when colours bleed. We will then combine our understanding of colour, watercolour technique, mark making and collage to create playful and unique illustrations. Finally, we will enrich our sketchbook by blending and expanding our ideas, so its blank pages become a new opportunity for creativity. By the end of this course, you will have mastered your watercolour skills, plus your creative, playful mind will be feeling alive. For this course, we will use watercolour, brushes, drawing materials, and of course, a sketchbook. This course is for anyone who wants to use sketchbooks as a playground and explore new ideas with watercolour using non-traditional and experimental techniques. Experiment and wake up your curiosity and playfulness through your sketchbook.